In the equity quadrant, after making a new low early, the March ES futures rallied above the 50-day moving average, which is at 68.75 today. The low is 68.1450, down 0.22%, and the high so far is 69.45, up 1.69%. I say so far because the market is still open for a period of time, and the S&P futures are sitting right at their high, up about 1.53%, so that high price may change. The S&P future went from lower early up to session highs after President Trump spoke at Davos. The trigger was likely when the president explicitly ruled out using military force to acquire Greenland, stating, and this is a quote, "I don't have to use force, I don't want to use force, I won't use force," end quote. This caused a very rapid drop in volatility this morning and a rise in the S&P future from slightly negative to positive on the day. Now, S&P Q4 earnings are ramping up in terms of the number of releases in the coming days, and that could drive the next move. Earnings growth is currently 8.2%, which would be the 10th straight quarter of year-over-year earnings growth if that's where it finished. Because companies typically report earnings above estimates, replacing lower EPS estimates with higher actual EPS, the index's growth rate usually rises as earnings season moves forward. Based on the average in-season earnings improvement, the S&P 500 will likely report at least 14% fourth quarter earnings growth, which would be the fifth consecutive quarter of double-digit growth. If this happens, it would be very difficult to predict a bear market in the S&P 500, all else equal.